So hey good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can participate in 20,000 USDT prize pool on Bybit. Okay, so here you can see that Bybit just announced a new token RSS3. Okay, so you can now deposit your RSS3 tokens on Bybit and you can claim from your bonus. You can claim your bonus from 20,000 USDT prize. Okay, you just have to deposit your RSS tokens on Bybit. Okay, so in this video I am gonna show you that how you can participate in this prize pool. Okay, so I have given the link in the description. Make sure to create account through my link. So if you create account through my link, you will see this interface. Okay, so just enter your email, enter your password and click on terms and condition, and here just scroll down and click on continue. So make sure to create account through my link. So if you don't create account through my link, you will not be eligible to claim your prize pool. Okay, so first of all, create account. After creating account, I have given the link of this promotion in this description. Okay, so here you can see that you just have to deposit RSS3 tokens and you will be able to enter in 20,000 USDT airdrop. Okay, so it is just announced. So here you can see that Bybit sporting RSS3 tokens. So by RSS deposits are now available. So you can now deposit your RSS3 tokens. So to participate, here you can see, to participate we are dropping a 20,000 USDT prize pool, and Bybit will be soon listing RSS3 USDT pair. Okay, so it will soon list RSS3 tokens. Just to know, you can only deposit RSS3 tokens. Okay, so what you have to do to participate in this prize pool, you just have to create account. Okay, so here you can see you just have to create account through my link. After creating account, you just have to click on here register now option. Okay, so I just click on register now and you will see this interface. So right now it is problem. So if I scroll down and click on register now, you just have to click on register now button. Okay, so here just enter your email, enter your password and click on continue. Log in your Bybit account and just click on register now button, this button. So this button is very important. If you don't click on register now, you will not be able to grab 20,000 USDT airdrop. So I just scroll down and here you can see all the details from now until 20 Feb. Okay, so 20 Feb all users need to make their first deposit in RSS3. No minimum required. Okay, so the best thing is that you don't have to deposit a minimum tokens. Okay, you can deposit 5 token, 10 token, 20 token, 50 tokens. You don't there is no limit of tokens that you should deposit in order to claim your prize pool. Okay, so make sure to deposit your RSS3 tokens as soon as possible, because this is a first come first serve bonus. Okay, so if you deposit your RSS3 tokens, you will receive a 4% bonus of how many tokens you will receive. Okay, the more tokens you deposit, the more bonus you will get. So until there our prize pool ends. Okay, so there is a limit that there is only $20,000 they have airdrop. So make sure to deposit as soon as possible. So withdrawal will be available on 15 February. So just click on deposit and I will show you that how you can deposit in the Bybit crypto exchange. Okay, so make sure to click on register now button. It is very important. So I just go back to Bybit application, just download it from Play Store if you have Play Store. Okay, so I just download it, Bybit crypto exchange. Here you can see this interface. Okay, so how you can deposit your how you can deposit your RSS token. Here you can see the assets option. Just here you can see assets, or here you can see the deposit option. Just click on here deposit option and in the search bar just enter RSS3 token, RSS3. Okay, you can see the RSS3 token. I just click on here, and here you can see the wallet address of here. Okay, so the chain type is ERC20, so it is Ethereum based token. And just copy, here you can see the address. Just copy this address, click on copy address, and deposit your tokens from your exchange. Okay, so that's how you can deposit your RSS tokens on Bybit and claim your bonus from 20,000 USDT. Okay, so make sure to create account through my link if you don't have account on Bybit, and claim your free bonus. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you.